Your experience is similar. Kind of avalanche which may have affected in the cages. Stop
Welcome, distinguished guests, to your VIP tour of
We'll be closing shortly. You fill in all the
Here we go. Now, where is he? Somewhere now. Is that? I don't know what that was. Find you before you get eaten. Ha ha! Gotcha. Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here. Wait! Don't get out of here. I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
Welcome, James. Looking at row 3, coming in first, please. You're going to be in the back to your right, and you can go ahead and park that right next to the wall right here.
Remember, if you see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious.
Leo. Bye, Leo. Hope you find your head.